Oh man, look at this beautiful weather. We're in California. I'm hooking up to my Kaufman trailer today. Welcome back to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, give it a like, please. It helps our channel. And today we have the Kaufman trailer only because I have a couple stops I got to do. So I'm not taking the Infinity. I'm taking my Kaufman trailer, which is a Ford car hauler, and I'm about to hook up, do a pre-trip. Sorry. So we'll see you guys in Modesto. We got 2 stops, and then Bay Area, and then we're gonna check low board. Okay. All right, guys. We'll see you in a little bit. Thank you.
That gets me so nervous. He goes so fast. He says he's a professional, but he can quickly go over the side of the cliff.
Hey, trust me, it's not gonna go over that. It's gutless. I barely made it to that little hump. That, it ain't gonna happen. Did you want to do the remote?
No.
Well, can you grab me the remote? Fourth hole?
He just mentioned that he wants me to stop on the number 4th hole. There's plenty of room there. Like, it's not touching. And it's on number 4.
So whenever you pick up a car, there's a reason why that car is turning off. It's low on oil. Look at the little puddle that came from that car right there.
Now, when we picked up this car, they said it was a non-runner, and the reason being is because it had some issue with the oil, that it was leaking oil.
You can start them and quickly load them up because they'll shut off automatic. What's going on? We got a busy day today. We should have bought the Infinity. What else we have? We got 3 vehicles. 2 more stops. Yeah, I thought it was 1 more. No, we got 2 more. We're in Modesto. We're going to be heading out to Pleasanton. We're going to be heading out to Pleasanton. We're going to drop that off, and we're going to be delivering the SUV in Stockton.
Days that we got home early, or if it was slow and we didn't work, what we were doing is digging the dirt, taking it all out, setting forms, putting in rebar, and getting the yard ready, getting it prepped for concrete. and we were going to do the concrete ourselves. We bought a concrete mixer at a yard sale for $100. It's electric, it's small, but 80-pound bags.
What do we have to do?
He would help me put the 80-pound bags in the concrete mixer, and my job was to mix the concrete. And it took a while, but I did get it pretty precise. In the beginning, I was putting too much water and having to add more concrete. Project's almost done, but we need more concrete. So we're here at Home Depot purchasing 16 more bags. So this is the new concrete. It already had about a 1 foot strip that he put in about 20 years ago, but we put in another 2 feet. And the reason being is water was getting into the house right over here. So now it's going to be very protected from any type of water. And the ground here, he shaved it down. It was pretty high. He shaved it down and put seed. He also put drainage, multiple drainage areas, and these drain into the street. It is pretty nice once you're finished to see the end product, and then just the sense of accomplishment that you did it yourself, and of course you saved money.